Hi guys, this is the last video for volume 7, and I am not quite finished. As you can see, I need to canter all down that side. I still need to finish a little bit of those flowers over there, and I've got to finish the vase, maybe a few details here and there, and that's it. But I was a bit disappointed with myself that I didn't quite get it done, but I'm very pleased with it. I'm on my dining room table, so I just wanted you to get a fair view of the full thing. And then I wanted to bring you down, hopefully I don't fall, closer. So I've been working on these flowers this week, and I'm very pleased with how they're turning out. Just a minute. Tap. There we go. Now we're in focus. Up there. And then down here. I changed the colour of this one. I went back into it because it was too much the same as that. I'm going to outline these still. I need to outline those. And I need to canter stitch all in here. I really like the effect of it too. It sort of distinguishes it from the flowers. I still have a few leaves to do, to go round. I need to finish down here. And I need to do this flower that you can see. Just a minute. This flower here. And the leaves. And then canter all of that over there. So quite a bit of work still to do. I normally work on it at night, and we've had a few busy nights, so I didn't get as much work done as I thought I would. So I'll just going to pan around a little bit just to show you. But I'm really pleased with it, and I probably will do another one but smaller, and just really enjoyed it. I hope everybody else who participated in this one enjoyed it. We've seen some amazing work in the Facebook group, and yeah, just thank you so much for sticking around and having fun with us. I need to outline that one. It's just really fun. Great community of lovely people supporting each other, which doesn't always happen. There's quite a few conniptions that go on sometimes, but we're trying to stay out of it. So yeah, but we love our little big group of lovely people that are sharing their beautiful work with us and coming along for the fun journey of creating and just enjoying. So we're starting volume 8 next week, Gathered Things, and so we hope to see you there. So I'm going to be at the airport by the time you watch this. I'm madly racing about today. It's Saturday actually today, but this is going up on Sunday, getting things organised. So that's why I'm not sitting and stitching for this video. So thank you so much for joining us for this journey, and we look forward to the next one. And when I come back from Australia, I will plod along with this one in the evenings and finish it, and I will give you an update when it's finished. So have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.